What if I tell you that you do not need to work harder in 2025? Instead, what you want to do is to key into these AI tools that can literally begin to make money for you in 2025, turning it into side income, online businesses, side hustles, and even daily income magnets. On this video, I will be sharing with you 5 AI tools that you can begin to turn into online businesses. And the best one is my number 5. So you want to make sure you watch this video to the end so that you get to hear what my 5th one is so that you can start running with it. Without any further ado, I'll get into it. Peradventure, this is the first time you're coming on my channel. My name is Grace Ibe, and on this channel, I share everything about how to make money, how to grow your business, and how to get customers into your business, right? How to make money is what we will be dealing on today, and that is why I am sharing with you 5 AI tools that can literally turn into side income for you in 2025. Are you ready? Let me know in the comments if you are ready. Say, go on, Grace. Let me hear it. So put that in the comments. All right, guys, without any further ado, my number 1 AI tool that can literally turn into side income for you right now in 2025 is Canva. Yes, guys, Canva is a graphic design tool that business owners and professionals like you can begin to make money from it. Now, Canva is a tool, right, that you can use to create videos, you can use to create audios, you can use it to create flyers, social media flyers, whatever it is that you can create, you can begin to make as little as $50 to $500 just using the Canva AI tool. Yes, guys. Now, if you want to learn how to use Canva AI tool, then you want to join the How to Design with Canva Masterclass. That is where I'll be sharing with you some of the designs you can create with Canva and how you can begin to position yourself to make money with Canva. Now, the link will be in the description of this video, so do well to go get the link right now after watching this video. My second AI tool that can literally turn you into money machine is ChatGPT. Yes, many people knows about ChatGPT, but not everyone knows exactly what to use ChatGPT for. So for some of you, you are using it just to chat, right? But ChatGPT can do just more than that. I'll tell you one secret. This video I am creating right now, I got my script using ChatGPT. Now, even if I am not using the whole script that ChatGPT actually gave me, right? But I got idea using ChatGPT, and you also can create videos like this. You also can create ebooks. You can begin to create blogs from ChatGPT, and I tell you guys, you can begin to even create flyers using ChatGPT AI. Now, with this, you can charge as much as $50 and above. I kid you not. There are tons of people that are looking at how to create graphics with ChatGPT, how to write ebooks, how to, create social media flyers, how to blog, right? SEO keywords. ChatGPT can help you do all of this. All you want to do is ask it as a professional and give it the right prompt, and it will deliver exactly what you want it to do. So guys, ChatGPT is my second AI tool that you can actually turn into money, right? If you know how to do it. My number 3 AI tool that you want to key into right now is CapCut AI. Yes, guys, InVideo and CapCut AI are the go-to when it comes to video editing, video creation, using AI to create videos, using AI to edit your videos. Then CapCut AI and also InVideo AI is your go-to. Some of the people that actually run faceless YouTube channels, these are the apps that they use. And I tell you, when you create these faceless YouTube channels and put right here, of course, you want to make sure that it is copyright free, okay? And YouTube will monetize you when you get to the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hour. So you can imagine the kind of money you will be making for yourself if you begin to use the Canva AI tool or the InVideo AI tool. Yes, they have the paid and the free version of them, but if you use the paid version of them, you will very well get, copyright free. You'll get copyright free videos, right, that you can actually use for commercial uses. So Canva and InVideo AI tools are one AI tool that you want to get into right now and begin to create videos. Business owners are looking for videos that they can use to actually advertise their product, right? Professionals are looking for videos that they can use to advertise their product. If you can key into this, you will begin to make money from this, because creating videos and editing videos is a game changer when it comes to what is happening in this era and in this economy. So my CapCut and InVideo AI tool is your go-to when it comes to video creation and also video editing. My number four is 11Labs. Yes, guys, 11Labs is your go-to when you want to transcribe text into audios or into videos. Then your 11Lab will do that for you. So all you have to do is put in the text, right, and tell it to transcribe it into an audio, and it will give you an audio of the text that you have just imputed. Right now, you can use this to create videos, you can use this to create ebooks, right, because we have audio books, okay, that you can actually begin to help people translate their books into an audio book, and that is more money for you. All right, so 11Lab is one AI tool that you can begin to use and make money for yourself, creating voiceovers for business owners, for professionals, for creators like me, right? So you can use 11Lab to create audios, and it comes in different languages, so you have the opportunity of choosing which voice you want, what language you want, what country you want, right? So 11Labs is your go-to when it comes to you turning text to audio. My fifth one, which is the best for me, is Zapier. So Zapier is an AI automation tool. With Zapier, you can begin to automate your business without you doing anything. So all you just have to do is create the systems on Zapier, right? And Zapier will do the work for you. It will send out whatever information that you put in there. So you don't need to be in your business all the time. All right, so if you're a business owner, you're a creator, you want to do other things, you don't want to always be online, Zapier is your go-to AI tool. So what you want to do right now is visit zapier.com, right, and begin to give it prompt on what you want it to do, and it will begin to automate your business for you. So these are my 5 AI tools that you can begin right now to make money with. My number 1 is Canva. The second one is ChatGPT. The third one is CapCut and InVideo. The fourth one is 11Labs, and my fifth one is Zapier. I want to believe that that you got value from this video. Let me know in the comments which of these apps that you use, if you're using any of them. Let me know what you're using any of them for, and if you're not using any of them, let me know which ones you will begin to use right now going forward. I can't wait to hear from you. All right guys, I will see you on another video. Now before I go, I want you to go and watch this video right here, right? You will get a lot of value from it. I will see you again on another video. Until then, ciao ciao.